So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Watch and your iPhone, the setup is just not working. Meaning maybe you're trying to go through and have these Apple Watch things come up or the pop-up is not coming up at the bottom. Number one, you have to make sure that the Apple Watch and the iPhone are compatible with each other. If you have a current generation Apple Watch and like a very like old iPhone, like an iPhone 6, not every Apple Watch and every iPhone is basically going to be compatible. So you're going to have to make sure that's not the case that's going on with you. So number one, make sure that's not the problem. Then number two, what you want to do as well is you want to make sure that within your particular iPhone and your Apple Watch, they are compatible in terms of software. Sometimes your Apple Watch and iPhone may not be compatible with software, just kind of keep that in mind. On top of that, you have to make sure your Apple Watch is, 100% charged up. So even if it's like 30% charged up, it might not be, working out that well. So go through, make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are basically charged up. Now, if it doesn't automatically pop up, like the setup doesn't pop up, you also might want to make sure they're close to each other. If your iPhone and Apple Watch are very far apart, they're not going to be able to be compatible. They're not going to like work out that well. So make sure you kind of bring them kind of close to each other. That's kind of another thing I'd recommend doing. Because like I said, sometimes if they're just really far away from each other, that might not end up doing it for you. Now, if that's still not working, you can try restarting your Apple Watch, hold down the side button or both buttons, whatever it is, and go ahead and slide the Apple Watch to power off. Or what you can do is also power off the iPhone, try to restart them that way. And that could end up fixing it for you as well. So those are just a few different ways of going about fixing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.